so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty, pretty.
You guys, I did it. I did it. I am officially in Wonderland. I have finally crossed over. This morning, the scale read 196.2 pounds. Yay! For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Shanda. And when I started this journey on February 24th of this year, I was weighing in at 270.2 pounds. I honestly couldn't picture what this day would feel or look like. Today, it feels like a definite victory. It feels like a relief. It feels like proof that I can do hard things. To stand here now, 74 pounds lighter and 1 pound away from my second long-term goal is nothing short of a miracle in my eyes. Thank you guys for being here with me and celebrating this accomplishment with me. You guys have meant everything, and I love communicating with you guys, and you are my friends that I've never met before. I really want to talk about one of the most challenging parts of this journey, and that's the mental work that goes into it. Of course, dropping weight is powerful. Indeed, it is. But retraining your entire knowledge base about food and how to fuel your body at 54 years old is not easy. I've spent a lifetime eating a certain way, relying on learned habits, traditions, and ideas about food that have been passed down from generation to generation and formed over decades. To reconstruct all of that now was a very hard task. It's not just swapping meals, it's relearning hunger cues, redefining what satisfaction means to you, and building a new relationship with food. It's daunting to say the least, but it's also liberating. What's weird though is I do feel a sense of grief, like I'm mourning something. I don't know if it's my old relationship with food I'm mourning or why. I'm not sure. I don't really know how to explain it, but I do feel a sense of loss. There's something that I'm mourning. But as grief, you get over it. Or I shouldn't say get over it. It gets easier as time passes by. So I fully expect the same to be for this situation. As far as side effects, there have been some new things showing up. Constant constipation has made its first appearance on this journey. So that's something I'm now navigating. I was constipated, a few times over the past 7 months, but not like I'm experiencing it now, but I'm managing it. And the mucus in the throat issue that I talked to you guys about maybe about a month or two ago, that has returned, which I've dealt with before, and I'll do my best to manage it. But it's one of those gross things. It's like, I do not like this at all. And Mucinex doesn't do anything for it. So I read that just be sure that you're hydrated, and that should make it go away. So I'm working now. I hydrate myself all the time. So I guess I'm just not doing the best job because this whole mucus thing wouldn't be the case. I don't know. I'm just going to try my best to stay as hydrated as I can, and hopefully it goes away. But it is so disgusting. These are small notes, you guys, in the bigger story, but worth sharing. So, you know what? There was a non-scale victory that I noticed this week. There is a gnat in here. I don't know. Get away from here. And I had to buy new underwear this week. You know, it's so funny. I have tons of clothes from years ago. Like I said before, you guys, I have size 8 in my closet all the way up to size 20. So as far as clothes go, that's not a problem. I can go in my closet and do all the shopping and picking out an outfit I need to do. But the underwear, and it's something that I never even thought about. But as the days have progressed, I've noticed my underwear was kind of like coming up like to the middle part of my bag. So I was like, oh my gosh, and they're like bunching up under my clothes. So I went and bought new underwear, like 2 sizes smaller than what I used to wear. So yeah. That is definitely a non-scale victory. And you know what? Something else I want to share with you guys. My cousin, Elaine, has just joined the Zepbound journey about 2 weeks ago now. And she's already lost 9 pounds. Seeing her progress this early on makes me super excited for her, and it reminds me how incredible it is that we have this tool in our lives. Zepbound really is an excellent option when it's matched with consistency and commitment, and I'm sure the same applies for all other GLP-1s as well. I've been receiving a lot of comments and direct messages about my dosage path, and I want to share with you guys how it's gone so far. When I began this journey, my doctor started me on a 2.5 milligram for the first month. She wanted to make sure that my body could tolerate it, and she said I could titrate up after that first month had concluded. So then I went up to the 5 milligram. I stayed on that for 1 month. From there, I increased to 7.5 milligram, where I stayed for about 2 months. After that, I moved to the 10 milligram, which is what I've been on for the past 2 months. And now next week, I just re-upped on my new Eli Lilly Direct shipment, and I'll be taking my first dose of 12.5 milligram on Friday. My shot day has changed to Friday now, so, and it's not because I intended to, it's because I forgot. So yeah, guys, here I am. Yay, guys, yay. Week 28. 74 pounds down, weighing in at 196.2 pounds. And officially in Wonderland. This is more than scale victories. It's a life victory. That's how it feels. It's physical progress, mental rewiring, and proof that it's never too late to change the narrative of your life. And here's what I want to leave you with. If you're on your own journey, whether it's weight, health, or just breaking old patterns and habits, don't underestimate the power of reprogramming yourself. It's not easy, but it's possible. If I can do it at 54, anybody can. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty, pretty.